Fishing a laundry chute is generally not recommended because of safety and sanitation concerns. Firstly, let's consider safety concerns. The laundry chute represents a confined space, often characterized by limited visibility and poor ventilation. The chute's interior may harbor sharp objects, accumulated dust, or structural debris, all posing risks of physical injury. Attempting to retrieve an object from the chute could lead to falls or entrapment within the narrow space. Secondly, sanitation concerns are paramount. The primary function of a laundry chute is the removal of wastewater and soiled laundry from a residence. Consequently, items retrieved from such a chute may be contaminated with bacteria, mold, or various unsanitary substances. Such contamination could pose health risks upon contact. Code references provide guidance in this situation. While specific building codes or regulations directly prohibiting the action of fishing items out of a laundry chute may not exist, adherence to general safety and sanitation guidelines remains crucial. These guidelines often stem from broader regulations concerning hygiene, waste management, and workplace safety, depending on the context. Considering alternatives to fishing a laundry chute is the smart move. If an object becomes lodged within the laundry chute, several safer alternatives are available. 1. Consider using a long stick or pole to gently attempt to dislodge the object. Exercise caution to avoid pushing the object further down the chute or causing damage to the chute structure. 2. Locate and carefully remove the access panel to the laundry chute. This panel typically provides a point of entry for maintenance or repairs. Wearing protective gloves to prevent direct contact with potentially contaminated surfaces, carefully reach into the chute and retrieve the object by hand. 3. If the obstruction proves difficult to remove or if you are uncomfortable with either of the previous methods, contact a professional plumber or appliance repair technician. These professionals possess the expertise and equipment necessary to safely remove the obstruction without causing harm to yourself or the laundry chute system. In conclusion, while the temptation to retrieve a lost item from a laundry chute may be strong, it is generally not advisable due to the inherent safety and sanitation concerns. Explore alternative methods and prioritize your well-being and the prevention of contamination.